Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 48 divided by 12 parenthesis 2 plus 1. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one parenthesis here, and here is multiplication. So according to the rule, first of all we solve parenthesis. Now the equation become 48 divided by 12, and inside of the parenthesis, and here multiplication and 2 plus 1, inside of the parenthesis there goes 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now on left side we have division, so first we solve division, then multiplication. 48 divided by 12, they give us 4 multiplied by 3. 4 times 3, they give us 12. So the final answer is 12. Thanks for watching.